Ready and snap.
Perfect.
Pull.
Good job. Look at all these. Good job, buddy.
ToysReview time. Hey guys, so today we got Wacky Links. Thanks Wacky Links for sending this to us for Edges Freeing Up.
Looks like each box comes with 15 tubes, 20 connectors, and so many possibilities that you can do to make these.
Wow guys, that is so cool.
Also, it's dishwasher safe so you can easily clean it.
Good.
So they sent us the Connector Series 4 kit, and they also sent us the Safari Series 2 kit.
Yay! That is so fun, you guys. I am so excited to open it.
Will you go ahead and snap both of these open for us?
Oh yeah! Ready and snap!
Perfect! Look at that! We have all kinds of different ways we can make this now.
Wow, this is so cool. I am so excited to do some more.
So the Safari pack comes with different kinds of animals. Looks like it has an antelope.
And we have a giraffe. And we have an elephant. And we have a lion. And we have a cheetah, my favorite animal. And a rhinoceros.
Wow, these are so cool!
Look at all these animals,
Yep.
you guys.
And they come in different colors.
Woo.
And then the Connector Series just comes with different kinds of connectors.
Which is green, blue, yellow, and purple, orange.
So I think we're missing something. Can you snap some scissors in here for us?
Oh yeah, we completely forgot. Ready and snap.
Perfect. Now we can start making things.
I want to do it right now. I'm so excited.
All right, let's start.
Let's start with a blue color, and I want to cut it. Oh, I did it! They're different sizes. I'm gonna do the elephant, the purple elephant, and let's put this one on. There's a little hook that you can hook it onto. Use another blue, put it on, and let's hook it together. Let's do a cheetah, my favorite animal. Let's hook it on, and it's a bracelet.
Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. We got the cheetah and the elephant. That's awesome.
Whee! Right, so let's take the bracelet apart and let's do another one. Oh, it makes kind of a fun sound when you... Okay, so let's start with red and orange. Alright, so, what can we make? Oh, I know. Let's make a necklace. Alright, so let's start with the cheetah. Let's hook it on there. There. One more. A lion. The lion's hard. Let's do maybe two more. Let's do a blue elephant, my favorite color, and a giraffe. Giraffe. This is a big one. There's one animal, and two animals. And 2 and 2 equals 4. Alright, so let's get another tube and cut it. Cut. Cut it! Alright, and let's hook it on to the elephant. There we go. And then let's hook it on to the cheetah. There. This is the one we cut it, and let's make it a little shorter. There. It's a little tinier. That's okay. That happens. Happens a lot. Let's hook it on. Oh, this is going to be a big necklace. There.
Oh, look at that. I love it.
Wow. So do you know what it is? Scissor time. So let's make it into small pieces. Cut it. There. And now you take this piece and measure it, and then you cut it again. There. And now they're all the same size. Together.
Cool, look at that.
Woohoo!
We'll change it out for another connector.
And then you'll hook it on.
Uh-oh. Here you go.
It got it in. There.
Wow, that looks really cool. Now that, my dear, is a wacky bracelet. Here, let's put it on. Wow, that's like a castle bracelet. That's awesome.
Wow.
See it? Wow, and it's like a little star on top. Very creative, my dear. I love it.
Yay. Ah.
All right, Bubba wanted to come help. Are you gonna make something?
Yeah.
You want the lion? Put the lion on. Yeah, roar. Ooh, and the cheetah.
Woo. Wow.
Cool, I like it.
Da-da-dum.
Pull. Good job. Pull. Yeah, pull the lion. Wow, look. Look at all these. Good job, buddy. Those look good. Yeah, is that your lion? Ah, yours look good, buddy. Elephant. Oh, let me see. What is that? Oh, yeah, you made a cheetah and a lion on this one. Oh, and look at, I love how your bracelets turned out, my dear. Those look so good.
I love it.
So you can be so creative and make all kinds of things. I think your bracelets turned out so good.
Bye. Well, see you next time. Don't forget to hit that bell. Bye. Don't forget to like us and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.